Hello, welcome to my channel. I've been working on a very exciting project this week, and basically, I have been printing on chiffon. I usually print only on cotton, but this time I decided to try to print on chiffon, and it's been a very fun project. And yeah, so today I decided that I'm gonna share it with you guys and see if you can replicate it to you for yourself. So I went on to Amazon and I ordered this stamp block. It's quite soft. I think it's made of plastic, and also you order the tool to help me cut it out. And yeah, so first I went to design my signature design on. If you know my brand, you will have seen this design on all of my clothing, and I usually use the cord to realize them, but this time I decided to make them into print. So I went first and start drawing the design onto this block, and then I will use the knife to cut it out. And but when I cut it out, I only remove the part that I do not need instead of cutting everything. So I just cut out the part I do not need. So it's all doing by hand. So I don't have like a specific measurement that I'm following. I just do it over my head because I already know what the design that I want to achieve. But if you don't have a design, you can go online, or you can create a own tree and copy and paste it onto your block, and yeah, and create what you want to create. So then I went ahead and took the tool, and they're quite sharp. So I bought, like, they sent you like 6 pieces of different shape. And first I wanted to like separate my design to the rest of the block, so I don't have to waste it all. So I just cut that the part that I'm not gonna use out. So I used the straight uh, knife and it's quite easy to plug it, but you have to be careful when you put it through, so you don't cut your fingers, and just cut it all out. I had to put quite strong pressure to push it down. Then I change it into a different knife. This time it has like a V shape, quite small, so I chose the small one because my design, the gaps I will be cutting into are quite small. I don't want to use a big knife and take the excess that I actually need to keep. So this one actually works better for me. Just have to be very careful to keep my fingers away so I don't get cut. So there you have it. I have my phone, uh, my print, my stamp ready, and this is an improvisation of mine. I'd use this foam to like glue my stamp on, so I have like a platform to hold when I want to stamp onto my material. So this one is four, um, and the last time I used one that was only two. I designed one that was only two, and I found it it works really well, but it was a bit time consuming because I have to stamp twice for one print. So I decided to make one that before, but also I realized that by washing it kind of come apart, so just gonna add glue gun on it to keep it together. Now gone to fabric. I order screen printed fabric, so fabric specifically, specifically for fabric, and the color I want on this red fabric, red chiffon, is black. So, and I went and used my stamp, and they also send you this roll to like roll the paint onto your stamp, and before you can actually to have the paint evenly uh, across your stamp before you can actually place it onto your material. As you can see, I place paper underneath my chiffon fabric, and that's because I was working on the floor, and there's a carpet, and chiffon is quite see-through, and I didn't want to transfer the paint onto the carpet, so I made sure I had it protected, the carpet protected, by adding fabric. So I just like place my stamp onto the material, and you will see what I mean by I have one print and then I have to stamp again to have the other part from the top, and it works fine, but it was time consuming, so this is why I went and designed one that has four, and so I can just do it all once. So this is the finished product, and I'm so happy with it. I'm so proud of myself. It was a long process because I had to print stamp and in section and allow the paint to dry before moving to the next one. But I'm really happy. It took me the whole day, but I'm really happy with the result. If you enjoy watching this video today, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe and leave me a comment, because that motivates me to bring new video to you every week. I'm gonna share and have a different video and to show you what the dress I'll be making with this material. So make sure to hit the notification button so you don't miss out on the next video. Bye bye.